Hello everyone, you are welcome back. We have another question to solve today, and the angle we are solving today is on lines, angles in between lines. We are given a question: calculate the value of y in the diagram below. This is the diagram below, and we need to get the value of y. For us to get the value of y, of course there are many ways of solving this particular question, and I'm going to use just one method to solve it. So let's look at the question. Looking at this question, you will observe that both the y on either side of this angle are outside. We can actually bring them in, and for us to bring them in, as a matter of fact, for us to solve this particular question, we will be using a lot of theorem. Like now, I know that the sum of angles on adjacent side are always equal to 180 degree. The angle here, if this place is x now, that means x plus 3y is equal to 180. And for me to now get x will now be 180 minus 3y. So if I clean this place now, I'm going to have 180 minus 3y. That means there is no angle outside again. I will only consider the angle inside. The same thing applies to this side too. I can have here 180 minus 5y. Then another thing we need to consider here is that we can actually close this angle. And you know, the angle between vertical and horizontal line is always equal to 180 degrees. So here is always equal to 90. Here is 90 degrees and here is also 90 degrees. The angle between vertical line and horizontal line is 90 degrees. So we have this. If you look at this now, this is a polygon, and we are going to consider the number of sides. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-sided polygon, and in this case our n is equal to 5. So we first need to get the sum of angle in this polygon. And for us to get the sum of angle in this polygon, we are going to use this formula: 2n minus 4, 90. There is another formula we can use. You can also use n minus 2, 180. So it's either you use this or you use this. So if you use the two of them, if you use any of the two, you are going to arrive at the same answer. Our n is 5, so I'm going to have 2 times 5. That will give us 10 minus 4. I have 90 here. That means I'm going to have 6 times 90, and that will give us 540. That means 540 degrees. The sum of angle in this 5-sided polygon is 540 degrees. Now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add all the angles together, here plus here plus here plus here plus here, and equate it to 540. And in that way, I can get the value of my y. That means I'm going to have 180 minus 5y plus 136 plus 180 minus 3y plus 90 plus 90. Everything is now equal to 540 degrees. So from here, I can collect the like terms. If I do that, I will have 180 plus 136 plus 180. Another 180 is there. Then minus 5y minus 3y is equal to 540. That will eventually give 180, 180, 180. 3 times 180 will give us 540. So I have 540 plus 136. That will give us 676 minus 8y is equal to 540. So from here, I can collect like terms. If I should collect like terms here, I will have 676 minus 540 is equal to 8y. So if you subtract now, 540 here, you have 6, 3, and you have 1 is equal to 8y. I can divide both sides by 8. Divide by 8. 8 will cancel. So my y now will now be 8 in 13 is 1. Remainder 5. In 56 is 7. So our y here now will now be 17. We are going to stop here for now, and we continue from here next time. Also, in case you have a question, you can always drop your question at the comment section of this particular question. I'll see you next time. Take care.